Explainer. Today, we are tearing down a complete ground-up blueprint for an AI doctor assistant platform. We're going to dive deep into the architecture, the user experience, and the entire business model behind what is honestly looking like the next massive shift in digital healthcare.
Here's a quick look at our agenda for today. We'll be walking through the big business idea, the core app features, specialized AI assistants, the tech stack and security, the revenue model, and we'll wrap things up with the future scope and target markets. Let's get right into it.
Section 1. The Big Business Idea.
Okay, so the core vision here is building a true 24/7 smart healthcare platform. I mean, think about it. Average emergency room wait times are literally stretching into hours these days, right? The main goal of this app is to handle that initial symptom checking and disease prediction instantly. By offering continuous voice and chat support, plus real-time health monitoring and emergency alerts, this platform acts like a preliminary medical guide right in your pocket. It's basically a massive release valve for the heavy strain that's currently crushing traditional hospitals.
Moving on to Section 2. Core App Features.
So how does a user actually start? It's designed as a really simple three-step flow. First, you register with basic details: name, age, gender, that sort of thing. Step 2 is absolutely crucial. Users input their medical history. We're talking known allergies, current medications they are taking. From there, in Step 3, the system immediately generates a comprehensive, highly personalized AI health profile. And this profile, it becomes the baseline for literally every single interaction they'll have with the app moving forward.
Now, this is the absolute beating heart of the whole app, the AI symptom checker. Imagine you log on and say, hey, I've had a fever and a headache for 2 days. The AI doesn't just spit out a generic answer. It actually asks follow-up questions, exactly like a real doctor would. It analyzes those complaints and instantly predicts your risk level, whether you're low risk, medium risk needing a scheduled checkup, or if you're in a full-blown emergency situation.
But wait, it gets better, because the blueprint packs the app with some incredibly high-utility daily tools. You've got a multilingual voice assistant for instant disease prediction using your vitals. You've got a camera scanner. You just upload a photo of your medicine to instantly see side effects or get duplicate alerts. And maybe the coolest part, a lab report analyzer. You can literally upload complex blood work or MRIs, and the AI translates all that medical jargon into simple, plain language explanations.
Section 3. Specialized AI Assistants. This is where the app becomes deeply integrated into a user's everyday life. By building dedicated niche modules, you're creating daily value. You have a mental health assistant for stress detection and anxiety support. There's a comprehensive women's health section for pregnancy tracking and PCOS guidance, plus a kids' health module giving parents vaccine reminders and fever guidance. Tie the whole shebang together with live smartwatch integration tracking oxygen, sleep, and blood pressure. Now the app is a daily necessity, not just a one-time use tool you forget about.
Of course, we all know AI can't do everything. When you actually need a human, the platform seamlessly connects users to real doctors. You can instantly transition to video, audio, or chat consultations. Meanwhile, the doctors can use the AI to generate rapid digital prescriptions. It also features a really critical emergency SOS system that instantly alerts family and shares your live location with nearby ambulances.
All right, Section 4, Tech Stack and Security.
For the builders out there, the architecture here actually requires two totally distinct back-end interfaces. You've got your admin panel, which tracks total users, revenue streams, and AI analytics, but then you have a dedicated doctor panel. This is what gives physicians instant access to patient histories, those uploaded lab reports, AI diagnostic suggestions, and all the tools they need to easily manage video consultations and prescriptions.
So, what's actually under the hood? It takes a pretty robust tech stack to power all of this. For the AI models, you're mixing GPT-based AI with medical natural language processing, computer vision for those image scanners, and speech recognition. To hold it all together, the backend utilizes scalable frameworks. Think Node.js, Python, or FastAPI. And for the databases, you'll need quick retrieval options like Firebase, MongoDB, or PostgreSQL.
Now, I cannot stress this enough. Because we are talking about healthcare, your security has to be absolutely ironclad. Integrating end-to-end encryption to meet strict HIPAA and GDPR compliance is literally non-negotiable. Modern AI healthcare platforms have to prioritize secure cloud storage and absolute privacy. If you don't have that, you simply won't gain the trust of patients or doctors.
Section 5. The Revenue Model.
Okay, let's talk about the money. How does this actually generate cash flow?
Well, the blueprint outlines 6 major revenue streams. Direct revenue comes from premium monthly AI subscriptions, plus taking a commission percentage on those telemedicine consults. Then you have indirect revenue through lucrative B2B partnerships, partnering with hospitals for priority booking, pharmacies for prescription fulfillment, or health insurance companies. Finally, you round out the model with targeted in-app wellness advertisements.
Finally, Section 6, Future Scope and Markets. Once your core platform is running and profitable, the future roadmap gets straight-up sci-fi. We're talking future updates that scale to include AI face diagnosis, literally analyzing a user's face to detect fatigue or skin conditions from a photo. It could introduce AI voice diagnosis to identify respiratory issues just by listening to a cough, or even implement an AI ECG reader that can actually predict heart attack risks before they happen.
So where do you actually launch a beast like this? The prime target markets, mostly due to their high demand for fast healthcare, existing hospital burdens, and widespread adoption of telemedicine, are the USA, India, Dubai and the wider UAE, the UK, and Canada.
From a branding perspective, you're going to want to package all of this under a catchy, futuristic name that builds trust instantly. Think about ideas like MediMind AI, Health GPT, or SmartCare AI. You want something that immediately grabs a user's attention in the App Store and clearly communicates what the app actually does.
Okay, before we wrap up, we absolutely have to address the elephant in the room, the vital legal disclaimer inherent to this kind of tech. A platform like this provides guidance only. It does not and cannot replace a licensed doctor. In any emergency, a real hospital is always necessary. This is a standard, essential ethical warning required for any medical AI platform out there today.
The AI healthcare space is moving incredibly fast, and this blueprint really shows just how comprehensive these platforms are becoming. But it leaves us with a huge question. As AI becomes our first point of contact for our health, will it ultimately replace the waiting room entirely, or just make the wait a little more bearable? Thanks for joining this explainer, and we will see you in the next one.